Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a really cool card trick that is so good it actually fooled me when I first saw it. So let's get into it. Alright, so what you need is a normal shuffled mixed up deck, and it could even be borrowed if you wanted, but you can show that it's mixed up and that there's no particular order to it. So now I'm just going to look through and find a couple of cards you can use. Let's go Four of Hearts and Jack of Hearts. So we have the Four of Hearts and the Jack of Hearts. Okay, so we're going to start with the Four of Hearts, and what we're going to do is we're going to deal down until the spectator says stop. This is a free selection, so right there, then we'll put the Four of Hearts face up and put the rest of the deck on top. Then we'll do the same thing for the Jack of Hearts. We'll deal down, and this is also a free selection. Let's say they said stop right there, and we'll put the rest of the deck on top there. Now we'll see that we have two face-up cards, and now if we pull out these two cards as well with the card that is with them, so the Four of Hearts and the Jack of Hearts, we'll find that with the Four of Hearts there's its red pair, the Four of Diamonds, and with the Jack of Hearts there's also the Jack of Diamonds. It's a cool trick. I'll show you how to do it. This is a really cool trick. It actually fooled me the first time I saw it. And you do need just a regular borrowed shuffle deck of cards. There's no order. It's just a regular deck of cards. What you need to do first is, as you're going through, you look at the bottom card and the top card. So the bottom one in this case is the Jack of Clubs. So as you go through, you look for its matching card, which would be the Jack of Spades, and then you pull that one out. So, let's see. That one is right here. Then you look at the top card, which in this case is the Two of Diamonds, and we look for that one's matching pair, the Two of Hearts, which is right there. And now, as you're putting it down, make sure not to flash the Jack of Clubs out here, because they're going to see that it matches the Jack of Spades. So just set it down like that. Then you take the card that matches the bottom card, and say we're going to use this one first. And then you can have the spectator tell you when to stop whenever. So let's say right there. Then you put the Jack of Spades face up right there. And then what this does is it takes the Jack of Clubs right here and puts it with the Jack of Spades. Then we do the same thing for the Two of Hearts, because as we dealt down, it put the Two of Diamonds that was on the top, it put it on the bottom, so now it's on the bottom. We do the same thing right there, and then Two of Diamonds goes on top of the Two of Hearts. And then we spread. They're the two face-up cards because we put them their face up. Then we take the card above them, which is the matching card, remember, and then square the deck back up, and we'll find that the cards with the cards we pulled out match. So Two of Diamonds, Two of Hearts, and Jack of Spades and Jack of Clubs. Alright, if you enjoy card tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe. Got some good ones coming. Then I have another one up here, and that is where you can take the cards, mix them face up, face down, and then just like that, they all face the same direction. It's really cool. Go check it out.